This is how it is looking after I was done mixing all the ingredients in it. So this is how it looks. You know, added egg. I used my mouth to list everything, all the ingredients that I used to mix this. So I already started frying. I just needed to show us how you need to cook this. All you need to do is to scoop a little quantity, okay? So you had to like make sure you cook it on a low heat so that it will make your plantain to done very well, okay? So this is how I prepared it. You will see the outcome of it on this video. The outcome was very, very, very nice. Okay, this is the outcome. You can see the sausage, the tomato, everything was there, and it came out so delicious. You can enjoy this with any drink. So give this a try. You will not regret it. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Beautiful people. Bye bye, bye bye, and bye.